Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to restore bookmarks in Chrome. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to restore your bookmarks here in Chrome, well, this one is quite simple. What do you need to do? Well, typically, if you go to your bookmarks, this is where you should be able to see your bookmarks currently. These are my bookmarks, and I'll give you some example here. I'm going to delete all of these bookmarks. Let's go and just click on the delete, and let's go and just delete everything that we have in here. And once you've done that, the next thing that you want to do here is you want to access a very specific folder. Now, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and basically go to your search bar in your Windows and just type in run, which is run. And from here, you want to go and just type in the following. It's going to be app data and click on OK. Now, once you've done that, you want to go and access the local folder. Now, inside local here, you want to look for Google Chrome or something similar to that. So in this case, I'm going to scroll down a bit here. Let's go and just look for Google. Let's go and choose Chrome, go to user data, and you want to scroll down a bit here. Now, there are a lot of profiles that you can view in here. So as you can see, I have profile 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know that this is going to be profile 4. But what do you need to do if you don't know which profile you need to start managing here? So again, you want to go and go back into your browser and make sure you are inside the appropriate account that you want to, or profile that you want to basically view the path for, and just paste the following. It's going to be Chrome colon / two times, then version and / again. Just press enter, and you want to look for the option here that says profile path here, and that's going to be profile 4, which again, like what I said, is going to be the profile that we are going to edit. So let's go back into our folder here and look for profile 4. This is our profile. And what you need to do is you want to go and scroll down a bit here until you see the bookmarks section. Now you have bookmarks and bookmarks back. So what I would highly recommend you is you may want to make a copy of bookmarks.back first. So you can go and just click on copy and paste it again in here. And just make a copy. But once you've done that, what you need to do is you want to go and go back and look for it again. And in here, you want to go and rename this. So you go and press or click on the bookmarks.back in here. And basically, you want to go and just rename this as BAG. And once you've done that, you want to go ahead and just click on yes. And from here, go to bookmarks, right click on it. And you want to go ahead and rename this. So let's go and just rename. And you want to go and just use the following. It's going to be BAK. Now, once you've done that, as you can see, we've just switched the naming for this one. So that the back is now that bag and bookmarks is that back here. So what do you need to do next here? Well, the next thing that you want to do here is you want to go back into Chrome here. And you want to go and just make sure to close Google Chrome. Now, this one is really important. Now, from here, you want to go ahead and go back into your profile, and you want to go ahead and basically rename the bookmarks.bag here. Again, rename F2 or right click on it, and just remove the .back that we just added. Now, let's go and just select any here. Click on yes to save this. It's going to say, do you want to name bookmarks.bag to bookmarks2? Now, you can go and just answer yes or no here. So I'm going to answer no for now. Let's go and just delete this one because we had a duplicate of bookmarks. Again, let's go and just rename the .bag that we just made. Remove this one. So it's now going to be just bookmarks. Let's go and just answer yes. And once you've done that, let's go ahead and open up Google Chrome here again. And let's go and just select our account or profile here. So select this one. And it should open up. As you can see, this is already open up for me. Let's go and just choose our 3-dot option at top right here. And you want to go ahead and choose the option for, let's just say bookmarks and lists. Let's go and choose the open bookmarks manager. And that should basically restore your bookmarks. As you can see right now, we've just restored those bookmarks that we previously deleted. So yeah, so that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.